say, iya no normal. Iya bonya gun ya kia. Iya boema na. Iya bonya gun ya kia. En case akwe. So this video will tell it will tell how far need go. Also now we live video now. Okay, no problem. Thank you. Also now we video now. Again, I'm more record when you are the right here, man. Ona melele ya kan we me ami right o me agbe beji yobo. Me we right ni me ya be beni. If again, we abu yen na time na many days the right. For what a man not do video. Cut now we not do video. Or you read at the cut we not do video 9 o'clock. Or don't be 9 o'clock on Saturday. Or be at 3 o'clock in the next day. If you make better this why there. If you make better this why there. Well, okay. I mean, 2 weeks holiday, like Easter holiday na na. The money back be 1 week with nothing like that. If I can't travel, you have to travel. If I want to do my things, I not fit do my things. You can't tie me down. You can't tie me down.
To be in your travel, Let's go.
If they go Nigeria, if you even go Nigeria, you know they tell me say, I dey go Nigeria. I want go.
So you know what to do. You know what to do. Go and meet the government. Let the government take action. Let the government take action. On your plan here to advise you. Because a social media here help you because when you make a social media now, TikTok na be wa me now. I'm on buse. No, here go on yourself or buse. So the best thing, take this matter to court. E kini yana be the right in no 50-50. In you have a right in because you ma obey the law.
Why I bring the issue come here? In case of tomorrow, the father say, go see this woman, I deport his children, papa. Of which I never take on anything like that since 2022 when he married. Now since 2022 now he married. I follow and go renew. I follow he married 2022 July 15. I follow and go renew. July 21, I got signed for her.
Where don't pay money go? Man know where the comment section don't pay money go.
They pay. I don't know whether they pay, but government they give me money. He said the brief paper come for her, the brief bill come for her, say me he can't pay. He said the brief bill come for her, me he can't pay. Say bill one day next. Now so it big, this and that.
But he's supposed to they pay you direct, not be government, abi?
No, Emana, you not say I pay direct. That's why with the sign say may not they give me. May
they give government. Okay. Yes. Okay.
Yeah, as they carry bill, they give a meaning is not paying.
Okay. Okay, so you know what to do.
They even write me, say they want cut the untard. Now I go give my lawyer the paper, say why they cut untard? They say because if I say if papa not they respond.
You know what to do, my dear. You know what to do.
Jennifer, your body too or your body too. They're there yet. Since then now when I mute. They don't know what I dey face.
They listing now. Una dey here now. Una dey listing now. Not be say tomorrow if Jama government collect that my paper. If any of una come and talk to my sister and this TikTok I go tell her say me bring una picture. We go to beat una for this TikTok. Not be lie. We go to beat una.
Our marriage is July 15.
He's not paying.
July 21. Now me fair reach there. He come meet me and my children for queue. Everybody know the way SM foreign office be. Now queue that they stand. He come meet us for inside rain. He not even greet me. He not greet me. He not greet my boys.
Our children don't grow. Our children don't grow.
Now the guy run go meet am. Now the guy come run go. Thank you, my brother Ernest. Now the girl come run go meet and say, daddy. Now he take carry the girl. We even reach inside the office. Then I signed the paper for her. Then person may go pay for document for up.
Ekpenede ejemi weje o otere no ko na ki adiodu won ekpenede ejemi e ba ni oye.
The person may go pay for document for up. The next thing for my front, because they ask, they say he don't marry. Wetin they need when you want to invite the wife come. Front, not be for my back. Now that day I swear, say I have to follow and go for the office, go sign again.
Hello, sir, yeah.
No, they talk for baby mama. They don't know wetin baby
Ti
mama.
eni nu mi e ti talk la oje, ti eni nu mi e ti talk.
I'm out this off now. I'm out this off.
It's a Jennifer.
I get you.
It's a Jennifer, I beg. What's your beg? I beg, come on for social media, I beg.
No, because the thing don't reach me here.
You know they talk.
Nobody fit call am make dem talk to am. Nobody fit call am make dem talk to am. Then they look am. Nobody. If they go, they take off another person's children. You not fit take off the children.
Okay, do my dog born. The one we did, I did a double for her.
I don't know. I don't care to know. No, that one not there yet now.
And who you call it take care of?
If children go call and children go they cry for where he dey. The children go they call and say, daddy, come help and do this thing, come help and do this thing. You know they turn up. You know they turn up. The time when I get guy when me and my guy dey. Now my guy now they help because they fix everything. Now yeah they call. The children will spoil something for inside their room. I'll call my guy. That one if they work night work. That one they run, they come help me fix the thing for the children. Meanwhile, where the papa there is not up to 5 minutes here. He's there here, he's there before I said ban off here. It's not up to 5 minutes drive. Now till bus stop. If you enter bus to where the children dey. But you go pass here, go another person children. So I go to take care of them.
That's very bad. That's very bad. Yeah, why I can't talk here now? Not be said tomorrow now. Tomorrow, because even this matter, if when a person want carry and come out for social media, I say,
Ekpenede, yes. Ekpenede reject me. So, because my invite Ekpenede Adima. So, you own Ekpenede involved. Madam, Ben, mute your side. Your side, the echo. Sorry. Well, I can't go on. Where's it? And me now. Yeah.
Say, my family know they like me. I don't so all the social media this thing. My family know they so all this social media stuff. Say, I beg, I don't need them. Now rest. But I just say the thing don't reach me here because anything social media, I don't need them. Do passport for your children. I beg go. Now woman they do passport for your children. And the children so nice to give her document. Now woman they do passport for children. Now woman where passport in here.
Wait, Joy, if you not go just now, go renew the map paper. You know how this go father way don't condemn way foot it up. Man support man. You see say they go come and now they'll come they insult this woman. But they no one hear what really happen. Say now this woman I give the man paper. Now I do everything for that man. They'll come they insult the man. Okay, now I they tell a lot of people say a lot of single mothers they have story to tell.
Now I say sit to me with a day.
This woman don't bear enough. He don't bear. That man a bad man. Why are man with a fake account? Oh my dan, oh my dan. Oh, no suselelewe. Oh, who do? No suselelewe. No ye benue. No ye lafinue. When I don't pay, una don't na ya on wigbo no me Facebook. Una ya on wigbo no me Facebook. Me, you guys are well talking now. Una ya mo bi gbonu mi e Facebook wa ho wa. Idenu e picture we me denu we. Obi e don so selele we na don pay.
Na my baby papa. Na my baby papa. Anything na legberie, agbon na pano. You know, I say they forgive am. If they come here. If they come here, anytime when you like, if they press my bed, they come. Come they see children. But if the children need that, you know what doing to the children life. In family, since when he married, since 2022 when he family, when he married, no of the family don't carry phone, say, we be married here, make they ask of their children. Say, my children, our grandchildren, they still get grandpapa, get grandmama. He get senior brother, he get junior brother. No one for inside the family don't carry phone. Call say add our grandchildren dey. I'm not against the marriage. Heaven and earth sees me. I'm not against the marriage. Not they pay me. I'm deal over that. The day when I hear say he don't marry, he pay me that day. Nobody when all of us will be human being. Nobody when that kind of thing no will pay. Suddenly, they send me the marriage picture. I didn't even expect it. He married, fine. I wish him all the best for the marriage.
Useless man. Man, we go marry woman we not know before. Where you never see this girl before. Facebook now they forgive you this girl. Useless man.
You not see benefit and I love. But when people say, now because of your character, now you go marry another woman. I will say the woman when you marry, the two don't live for the same house. You see the woman face. The two don't see face to face. They don't run things. Before you go marry her, now I talk say now my dirty character. Now I make her go marry another woman. You never see the girl for face. Now Facebook the two for they write each other. When he say a family go do the marriage, the traditional marriage. When I sign for a July, he can't go as October. He can't do registry for Ikoyi, Lagos. November, he can't do registry for Ikoyi, Lagos. He can't do registry marriage. For woman, when you never born for her. The girl don't go to husband house. Now my baby papa now be the third man. She get Pikin. When my baby papa go do registry for his head. He not pay me. But what I need, may get time for his children. Because not be me use Pikin tie am. I not tell her say now I must born for you. Not be the man when I be one born for. Now just I say, as my people talk, now you the old Pikin. Now you will give Pikin. God just say the whole land Pikin. Now I take born for her. Now our first meeting, now I take get my senior boy belle when I not get 2 times. Now I take start to the born for her. Now I start to the born for her. I not first Pikin for a body say, now must I born for you. This Pikin I'll leave this belly. Now if they able to tell me say, baby, be like say you get belly. Now I say no, not talk out. I don't already buy ticket so I say to go Nigeria. Now I say not talk out. I never need belly now. Before I come reach and say I can't dey sick, I can't dey get the symptoms. Say really I get belly. Now if family all of them tell the call say their Pikin say need this thing. May I born now. I even carry belly go Nigeria. Now Nigeria, my belly go knock 5 months. You know when they say they maltreat me for Italy, now my papa say me I come Germany. My dad dey Germany. Now my dad say me I come Germany. Now I take come Germany.
Madam, wait, Mojane. I agree the also. What don't you see this your matter, so I don't plan to way to treat issues like this. So the question where I want to make I ask you, we say you grant this man access to a Pikin, but you know the one show up, Abi, not be so.
Yes, you know the one.
Now this kind of topic I they like, very beautiful. We fit handle this case, now the thing with that one. We fit handle this matter. We fit handle this matter, because your hand like the thing day. If you see me go handle for you.
Okay.
No wahala. Princess, we'll talk later. Come here, school.
Later.
Mommy. So you know what? So later we will talk, Princess, yeah?
No,
Mama.
So don't worry, we'll go handle this matter. You just do your thing later.
Talk now.
Later we'll talk.
No wahala.
Bye-bye.
No wahala.
Mama Jennifer, nice. Call you no gay. Good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon, everybody. Mama la wo egu. I know say you dey hot very well. I beg. I know. I beg. For the sake of the children, I take God beg you. I beg. I for just say, may you just rest for this matter. May you focus on your children. No matter what you want to, I beg. Try stand for your children. La wo. You no. As when life again or matter no problem. We not move on. So you see not do anything on a children where God give you.
Yeah, guy, if only you no give her.
Yes.
This silver color. Why if only last born in or you know who na hina.
Yes.
Or you know who ogwagbe. She's 6 years. Ogwagbe, ogwati. Ni open a message or ni play one voice record. No one. No send the gear right. It didn't. It did. Wow, need that great play.
Oh, I heard because the place where I do focus.
Ide pause
Oladine.
But mami already a calling of ye no ko ya call wa dere ya. Yes, ma'am. Okay. So listen to this voice record, please.
Daddy, why you didn't call me yesterday? I was crying that you should come. Daddy, why you didn't call me yesterday? I was crying that you should come.
Okay, that is that one. Well, got the miss call. Go no ya call your call always voice record the way you get.
I need to come.
Right, you need to come.
Now I'm crying because you're not coming.
Right.
I want you to pick me up. I need to come.
Right, no ya tie una dey see am. Una dey see am. You know they even they respond.
Now I'm crying because you're not coming.
You know they even they respond. That one say and see all the calling when that one they call am. If you even pick it, go they tell us I'm coming. I trust in the woman. I make her not come. Me, I trust in the woman. But the woman not there yet with her. The woman not there yet with her.
Una see her now. Before my sister cry come out because me dey into this matter for years now. This woman, na very good woman. I don't know wetin some men really need because una go come out now call they insult single mothers, but una know why here for the side of single mothers. A lot of them they are passing through here. These men go come titles or come they lie to you people. They not go like to tell una the truth. They not go talk the truth. This woman they pass through here.
If you say me they lie for yet, may on social media. Everybody know the way everything take place.
Come, let you come. Even they renew your paper for you. If they do everything for you, even you not get money, sometimes you come in house, he go cook for you, give you everything. What do you want? You can't come away. Your body. In fact, in my.
Mommy la wo when he made the message in I beg. I don't listen to the message. I beg. Now beg me one beg you. Give the best to these children. Let that man be. Try talk to these children. Try talk to them. Say their papa don't move on. Anytime we take on no problem. Anytime we they see no problem. Or if you tell them say they work, you know if you come up for the work where they. I beg man. I know say they painful. Even me will listen to the message. It pain me reach bone. I beg man. If anything they will if you do for these children, if you forget about that part, that area first, do one for them. I beg man. I beg. Not force. No just force and make it consider the children. Make it carry it on. They go make it they go. I beg man. Now what I want beg you for. Even though you bring across social media, it don't mean anything, not go change anything. I beg man. Thank you very much. Now you wait I say I tell you.
Thank you, my lovely.
Thank you, man.
Thank you. Big daddy, hear you.
Oh, mama go ya, mama with introduction.
Who does that?
Yes.
Who does that? What will we are ne? Ubiene, Mamu you won't.
Now me carry her from Italy come here. I come make down for us. He not go Aduro house. He not know as they chop Aduro. Now my brother, my cousin document. My brother maybe he go day here now. Now my cousin, I go collect the document for Cologne. Go, I get belle that time. Come give a friend. When I can't pay for a friend when they France. That one come Jamie, come collect the paper from me because I don't dare if you are not fit go Italy, I not fit enter flight. That one come go give her the documents. He get friend where the two gather dead line when I buy for her. That one I dey here safe. That one dey here now. I come make sure say I carry her because my sister they say wetin happen.
When I egbe ìwé ọ̀dọ́rí o ma do mi wo ọdún ya
Princess wa sunu.
This time level be that one. You not clear.
Princess wetin happen.
Well, no good one.
That sunu no na gbe the life we end 4 minutes time.
When game no mujeva zege pion. O mo no mi so yeva nia. A number or anything right
Hello, Baba.
Ona mwenene la mudia ye mudia omeno ni
Iwe no
okay, we continue we see.
Okay, Coista Bokian.
Yeda ni ko yo be mi age me no ye great.
Yeah, great. I agree to call you.
Ko yo go to odowo.
My wife, I do.
No matter what, yet it degi anything. No cause anywhere. Whether good or bad, ni can it was screw bira. If me back bira na degi way. Wasunu, walking wasunu my sister because he may read by walking.
A battery, man. Daniel.
Who the bit why explain again?
No, sister,
my sister, Mexico is so well.
What did you want one of them?
Nine.
Yeah, great. That for where good one. That for where now that for where I a princess. Now I a princess or dioma non dio. That for where already line now.
My somewhere maybe not.
That for where na hina. Princess, okay, over say then no.
Ọmọ say just bring me buana.
Lawo woje.
So and very yaspro here yaspro do I know he was no oh ya na ya la way gui my sister la wo mommy me get gui so he had again ni wa kira video video because most matter no sunu
don't they misbehave again.
Wait, bros. Wait.
Most matter no sunu between your most matter no sunu between your why can I talk?
Yeah, go on, you're great.
Most matter no sunu between your why have ye even hewo have ye itu ni mebe ya wegbe so have ye ni medege gwe when I wire say Jamie every year, so I know in and out. So I see if the ban the same issue, me make her come across in every line day. So it with the same issue again. And now okay, let me just say a little bit. But normally major do
sister Egui la we mafia tayo wonu since we can bad the history nege neutral person have say la Egui get neutral game ave no my new people Egui o mafia tayo wonu Egui more la wo sorry
yeah great you know the main matter now turn up in new year right now right away Me if you say area court. Ni ami a right in area ni ami area me because here ti do associated be when not do sign. Ma area anywhere not buy o give here. Here ti so boy ti so where. I know the fit travel. I know the fit go anywhere. If the children tell us say make come help and do something, you know they turn up. So why the right go there with her? Why me cry out? Because time will come. You can't come social media say woman when born for me, you not let me see my children.
Yeah.
What if you need people they say no man
Okay, good. If I'm allowed to talk now, big one. Sister, no interrupt, remember. Do I go with it? Do my way.
Okay, now go ni get go me lao. Ni mi ala go mommy. Sister, my life you about me dekon we be TikTok la we ni ata mi eva ni gege yo du kunji egui. Madege no we na call any. He will feel that.
Why they say where they travel, they go to they worry you. You never hear say the man don't marry, he don't move on with his life. I don't move on with life. If I get boyfriend for Spain, or I get boyfriend for Italy, I don't travel go see my car. I don't understand. This should be where I
the comment, Mama. Where Mama.
Okay.
Mama, I can comment. No, Mama, princess, block a kidney, okay? Who will block a liver by?
I don't go Nigeria. I don't travel. I don't move.
Maybe it is the person a joke. And start. Mama, no na here for ni when I call any. He will feel that maybe. Wakweka mi yani akole. Do wana je cut in a wana ame 50-50 or mana turn up area cut. Because in your the paper where or mana we not supposed you know you are right to come back. And I resolve you might do get it every now the time they go back to court. Or mana we not supposed you know who. Or when we knew a benny knew any. You don't be too nice. You are not a wicked person. You have to be 50-50. Not support you know. Move on with a life, okay? And secondly, you will be stuck in one place. So since they cut him one way, it should be 50-50. Turn up, go to court. You understand? Okay, maybe if we call any, but that's the call. It will make them emotional and you are
sorry, my side. You went to do them and now allow a real live video because now some money. I took get him now. Everyone when you do call him, lao go in real life. Also, na get call away. Get video me move on lao. Because on same man, he get the viela dia. In real life video na me be la jan ba o me. Otu why ti neglect you me. You know fit neglect my children.
To the end, look where there was cruise. Let me
So as I was saying, sister, go back to court. Hey, give way near the position the lack of red. No, you have to give them their position. Or that woman, you have to know where all the money and those children have a place in that man's life. So if the man just it is a judge, a bad judge, you go back to court. Come here where they do money. So ni the big here what the area court. Even we are going to 50-50 day weekend you are going to weekend now. Weekend you go to you come here. What that true court. And never need true there here in a bogger without all manner way in law. Any new ne You are not a wicked person. Don't renew. Again, what talk you went into it where what you ne or we go no me or we me ne or the
Already ni agwe beg wani na imi oni gbava because
for that
e ni adu ne we sign na ya na you sign in for down one na ya we nye mare ne debe ni any ya invite all here ke Nigeria
imagine
for my front not be my back for foreign office. Now the woman come say may he come out he want talk to me. Now the woman come ask me say you not say everything dey fine yours now say yeah everything dey fine he married that not me say everything not dey fine. Now the woman come say he want carry him name come up for the family name before now for us they gather they renew they gather go they renew. Now they take comot him name for the family list. So since then now you go they disturb me say they go office make me come follow and go office. I say why? You go say they need me make me consign. I to say waiting. I say now that day when you ask say what do you need when you want to invite your wife come for my front. Now that day I swear and really as I come out for foreign office now I put my shoe for front. Now I swear say if I say may I follow this boy come office again. And my father did this Dutchland for 40 something years. My get clean mind, you get good mind, you not get evil mind against and documents. So let her move on like that. Say me you can't go there, me you go sign for her. My daughter not try him again. Now that so I say I know they try him again. They follow and go office again.
Not just there,
I want travel go Italy that day. I want go see my friend. My friend they do something. He said because I me not follow and go office, go sign. Because that one you not go look children for me. I really not look children for me. One of my friend will gather go to same secondary school when God will bless. I come from here drive go Dortmund. Go drop children for Dortmund. Before I come go Cologne, go enter flight. My friends, my president for my club when God will bless. They come they wait for me. I go drop Pikin from Essex to Dortmund. Meanwhile, where the papa day? So yeah, it's 5 minutes. He get in your house. I can't go drop my friend with my children with my friend. Before I can't drive go Cologne. I be don't miss my flight.
My people, I beg if not feel wait because
it's just one eating cake and still have it.
Many people sit up there, make they hear.
Because I want to go walk.
Mama, I beg 1 minute. I want to come and make a talk with you. I want to talk. See, anything where you like to do, do anything where you want to do. And
Bros, when you call that day, you not talk to them.
Not be even that one. Not be even that one. This thing where you they talk now. I remember once at a time where you want travel. Now me even supposed to take care of those kids.
God bless you.
So this is getting out of point, you know. So anything where you want to do them, call it, tell a pass, see what you want to finish. Do anything where you want to. That's why I talk and reach and they come down. So this nonsense not too much.
Mama, as they go court, gather your evidence. All those voice notes, don't let her touch your children if he come. Gather them down so that may you take back yourself up for court. They hear me, so you see all these men that can play fast moves. Gather all the evidence and make sure tell your children they will testify against him. They will testify against him. This is a strong case. Not let anybody beg you. That man is wicked. He's a witch. He's wicked. So that is what
I have to say. The pass one show. The worst part of it, not be saying they go working, not they go work. As me they talk to you, so they look me for live video. If they take off another person children, why not be sweat?
Mama. Host, me and your picture talk to us. Good afternoon.
Something was spoiled for their fishy. Now my children papa now they will call. Now my children papa will go do one.
Host.
If you
allow me to talk my host now.
You know they do.
Jenny Mudia, get money go on. Please, give now.
Good afternoon. You want to know what's so that people can hear me.
I never talk since.
No, don't worry, Mama. You want 2 minutes. Host.
They give talking me working Mudia neje call.
Host best. Guys. Ebeni don't ever in your life renew for that paper. Don't ever do one. Don't ever. In case you I get person the same woman like that. A Benny and we go office together. I say no sign that paper. I sign I deport the man. I was so happy to deport the man go Nigeria. Any man who cannot take his responsibility of children, let them go out of your life. Don't some women, yeah, that family no. Don't some women they be one of the most biggest food across the planet. Right, big for a woman. I say, see, a Benny, a sign, and other people to deceive you. A sign.
How come?
Yeah, I will be there.
Mama, not let the money pay you when you want to carry and go. Cause all this story they talk, so I know all the system of the team. The money that they pass 500 BC surgery, you take carry and go court. You stand your ground.
Thank you.
For there and there court go court draw you say so and so time like this. You need to do there for your children because in what go the hope you say you go there enjoy your life. Now they pay now. Now they pay now.
And you want stop me.
Now they pay.
And you want stop me.
So now you go carry and go court. Not like now family court you carry and go for Jeremy. My city when I did so by Bativoti beg now family court. When I go do father shout with my husband they ask
Yes,
the woman say for instance now say this man no they take responsibility.
No, sir.
What I go do? Now the matter and the woman say I feel withdraw that 50-50 from this man. My husband they look me and they look am. He say I feel withdraw and I go carry and go family court and I have to have enough evidence. Now all this question women not they ask they go do so go reach. Now all this question, now they know they ask. My husband was there, was asking, I said, this man is not doing as a father. How can I withdraw this 50-50 back? The woman told me all the process. The man the verse that they are not saying.
My sister, waiting you worry me. Waiting you worry me. Me want me get paper. Because he not get go, he not get come. Even na nuta, now we for go sign father shall nuta. Maybe you see as I fight for and reach. He not get anything, he not even get Nigeria passports. He not get anything. We can't go nuta, go sign.
Mama, you don't need to blame yourself. Now, out of love, we women we they get soft heart. But now, need to stand. Now, family court, you go not be any court. Ask your lawyer, tell her your kids, you go carry go family court. Now, family court, now they handle that issue.
You don't get go the family court. Now, you get some people carry us go the family court.
Yes.
Oh,
happy man, even na yati we where they be all children.
Okay, my wife.
Children are gone.
So, okay, you know,
I hear you, mama.
So now, when we got the family court, I can't talk say, you know, it's when he married. This time even good said. That time, if you children your call her like this, you will say, I'll call you back, you'll cut phone. If you hear my voice, I say, NFA, you go your cut phone. Me, I know never even talk about for maths. That time, so you go your cut phone. Now I say, what did that happen? Now I got me they say, this man, he leave children for me. You understand? Now they call write and they call invite and say, Alpha, you leave the children for the woman. He say, you don't new marry, so you need to focus on the marriage. Now those one can't take carry us go court. Not be me who carry them go court. As we reach the court as a woman, you know say they'll ask you as a woman how you want your teammate be. Now I tell they say, it go tell people say, you want carry children for my hand. He go come tell they say, you want invite your wife. May your wife come join her take care of the children in the work. So, you know, if you take care of the children, you want to invite your wife. Now, those one come ask and say, the woman they sick, their mama they sick. I bet she doing told something. You understand what they try to say. Now, because as far as their mama not they sick, their mama not they sick bed. You know they told this thing.
You see how wicked he be? Very wicked man.
Yeah, you know they misbehave. They don't fit collect children.
Jennifer, just 1 second. I know say that Igbo woman, you they watch me here. You see that juju where you take tie that man. As soon as they use juju to the tie men with the Europe. You don't marry 3 men for Nigeria. None of them sit down with you. You can't say na Kateria now you dey find. You can't go. You can't destroy this girl home. You can't destroy this girl home. See, this saga, you go too sweet. Your picture, that man picture, we go too big tonight for this TikTok. So that may you stop. If you see this woman, if you see that woman where you do all these guys, so all cargo, he all his face don't wrinkle. Oh my God! All the
Mama,
face don
they
Rico.
explain, they hear you.
No,
So now they come
me I
say,
dey come for you. I dey come for
I
you.
want collect the rights when I give am. I want collect am from. The next thing, they come and join the case. Come, give me this picture. Give me this picture. They come and join the case. No, the other one. They come and join the case. So the dates where they are join, I feel show picture. I feel show picture for you.
I think so. Yeah, I think so.
Princess.
That's
Princess. But why Menita? I feel show picture for you.
You make your
Okay, now the say our picture. The time when I get 2 children. The time when I get 2 children for there, I never born my baby girl. This my boy now. This one they go 11 years now. This one they go 12 years. Two more senior this one.
Mama, hello, Mama.
Since 2019, now I take
Arieki no clear. Arieki no clear. Arieki no clear.
I rush born join my first son. May it take get document. May it take get paper.
Show biekana. We pitching ya ikaka mawe show efesi biekana. Kaka mawe.
Istame wa
show efesi biekana.
Boka.
Could you believe, eh?
Because
hello, Mama.
Ma. Hello.
It's in the hand.
Hello, now they hear me.
Yeah, yes, we dey hear you, sister. Ben, no verse. I want to ask you one question. Shebi, if you not sign that paper, if you want renew, shebi they not renew for him. Auntie.
Yes, you help me go and pick her. Help me to go and pick her, please. 340, help me to go and pick her.
If you know say, if you know sign the paper, they no fit renew for him. No sign again ne bone ne no we go ya mo ya think gbanu. Ye ga mari renew e beni e boni ya gbanu wa wo e ni. Send ibe talo ma but not let anybody beg you. Even though now your family member na
Auntie court go do that man waiting pass waiting that document. That man come everything if that man they work, they go make sure say they go to his children. Now Jenny now we are love for the work. So let her just go to court. This one who they shout from media to not help you, Mama.
Now
just go that court.
I think since this month now he go stop work.
Leave her may stop work. Any he go there eat now. She be job center to pay her money.
He stop work, he not stop work.
He
all
stop
those
work, he not stop work.
all
Close
those
here.
money where they pay, he go pay all of them back.
Children now you get for her. Now go fear. Now you take they get to you. They use that fear. They say they fear, and that love you still love her. You still there you and that mind.
No.
Can I say something?
You get something for her. Now make her. You the pity her.
Now that human feeling say my baby papa. Now I for us.
Mother, just come out and see come out on your side.
I
did not look you as that one. So now see they look at anything. Now that paper he want from you. He can't use you get paper finish. He still they use you one carry to go
Nigeria go marry.
Very ungrateful. Ebeni my yama bio so why agree me I don't cry pass who get.
Guy, give me a time.
If you want hear your side, may I send you a number?
Host, not the low comment section.
You never hear your side. If you defend your side, that's why that my brother wife went climb just now. Now their house, now I sleep when I come join me. When I they come they find house for my city.
because I don't want to stay with my father for my father's city. Now how can my dad day? When my dad say me I stay, how can you go open Afro bar for me? I can't say, but no, I want to find my level because my father look and say, the guy, wait, no way. When my papa interview and when he talk to my papa, my brother for America, he just want to pull his leg, talk about nyash. My baby papa start to follow my brother, they talk about nyash. Say, how we all this thing. Now my brother say, only way for good 4 years, 4 years plus. I not greet my papa because my pastor we may interview and a gwagwane. No malaja unwe. Odere wani. Now say my papa me born, yeah. Say I can't put my power off my life. You understand? So if you want hear inside, according to your comment, if you want hear inside, I will give you a number. You call am.
See all the mail we get about 250 people.
I come. I don't say me get my time. I don't need my time. I don't say me get my time. May get time for your children. Before you the right say you never hear from your side. If you want hear from your side, now that one be say if I dey force myself into round, I want me do into my life. In my honor into life, you honor after his children. If your children need them, may they take care of your children. If they need them, may answer them. If they call them, may answer them.
Can I say something? Host, you forget me to share something. Host. Oh, see, you don't hear me.
Yes, bro.
I want to tell you this thing from the way you are sounding now. I want to tell you 3 things now or 2 things. Pick from these 2 things. Don't allow their family to beg you to settle with that man. That's 1. 2, it may lead to buy. Be careful. I will end it there. You what I tell you so. Pick it for what I just said. I'm not a pastor. I read what you are saying now because that guy now he's trying to do 1 or 2 things because not be able to meet there and I'm gonna follow you cry later. I just speak to you because I don't know you as well.
Hello, sis.
This is my first time, please.
Sis, good afternoon.
I will end it there. Thank you so much.
Afternoon, my sister.
I bet if person they talk, more than let the person first talk. Ross,
true. Okay. Yeah, Sophia gone.
You might go for there.
Okay, Ross, sorry.
From what you are facing now, I beg of you, don't allow the family to beg you to forgive their son. Be careful. That guy now is going extra miles again. We have to let him later. I beg of you. I beg in the name of God because I see like as a sister. On TV, let it be what the court in there. Let the court know. Make sure you have your evidence. Let me tell you one thing. It may take another spirit again towards you as a woman.
No, sorry, bro. Mama, you might only swear anyway, man, because you write me a message, you know, maybe WhatsApp. Since then, we are what will be at here, what my point of view. What I call it, una doesn't announce. Una doesn't announce when I not tell us I go outside Pikin. But you direct me for what society they do so good. They go do now. Take out of what wire. If you're not going to keep their life, you're not saying not going to eat up their life.
He will block you.
This is the time for all single mothers to voice out their pain. And the men people should come and contribute. So not down our day comment section. No, na call talk.
They write me for what society do so good. But since then I've been crying. And they talk. When I know someone I talk to that say, if young boy give you away, God they take care of your children.
Come and defend your gender. Not don't want to saga single mother. See the responsible one now. Don't cry. Come outside. Now not climb up. Cut up.
only few now don't climb up. Muna can't defend myself. Oh.
Hello, now good afternoon. See, it's not cry again. No cry. Make I advise you for one thing. Eh?
No, your sister, they write me. Did they write me for once and say, what time they do so it's okay?
It's not cry again. Honestly, also.
But sister, the report on now. I don't make it sound why I don't report on us. Sometimes I don't use me talk at him. Say you do the complaint. You do the complaint.
Man go doing like that.
Complain. If I don't cry, my mind come out. I want to release me.
See, I feel tell you one thing. See, you see what the apple so even if he go stop work, because he get way to make me climb up. You say he don't go stop work. Even if he go stop work, house when I fed day, it happened to my ex-lady. She and her husband not dey again. So that woman now, the man not they pay, they pay 1 naira for those children. But at the end of the day, take that woman 10 years to fight this case for court. Do you know how much they calculate for that 10 years? 75,000 euro. This man, they needed to sell a house, say everything when he get for Germany, take pay for that thing.
But that wait first, person they talk. See, let one talk first.
If the problem now say maybe the thing they overwhelming for you, say maybe you need help. They jot down receipt of everything. Yes, they see nanny. If you want travel for some weeks, they like anybody who want you to take care of children, pay and show receipts. They calculate everything. Everything the week we're supposed to take all those children, like calculate. They jot everything down, even if he stop work.
No, you need to come. You need to come. When I want travel, all those ones they call her. Because you don't let me buy ticket.
Now all those things now. All those things now approved. Now your proof where you go there, everything where you they spend now savings for just. Relax your mind.
You need to contribute to the children's life now.
Savings now you they save now because it go pay with you.
I don't need anything. Now make the contribute over a children's life.
But right now, see what I want to advise you. But right now, in the hurt those children, it really don't give a help. And if you see the level,
my daughter now she they cry. Listen to the voice.
I hear that voice.
I'll be crying for you to come.
I hear that voice. But at the end of the day, those things, sister, if nani if way I punish in a way. Delete number your phone yari. Delete his number. If they not see number, they not go miss her. I'm telling you, it will only take them like 1 month or 2. But the fact that they still get contact, that makes the thing they hurt them more. Delete his number and move ahead. Everything you're doing now is not wasted. Now service for you. I'm telling you.
Telling you. Thank you. If not that, he not go get that feeling.
Hello, Jennifer. Jennifer Butter.
Oh, mama.
Oh, ik ben wel. Men not one. Arama.
Arama afana.
I do call. What via you night? What the number me day? A boss one.
Oh no, sons, because they come to me, and some people they say they ever hear from
a boss one. We have for ne more one ne. Because near my no sunu. Near my Yama no sunu yama kenukede kitalia de yama usenu seven we have come not your no here when at the gogi no na lefe we Nigeria we can we take gogi in Nigeria.
God bless you. God bless you.
Yama kenukede yama kenuke mwebu na do na gogi de na ye bene ona yali eke we ya moku no si age Nigeria de yama kenukede.
He put woman for us. He born me for Nigeria. Before I got born, when I not born, most people want to hear they know as everything
no do give money na do attend money with social media je no do appear be man na la
when I like you they talk
Lawo hoje. Lao. Iye go balo. Uya ne wayafo. Iye go balo vigbe. Oko no wegbe boy, no wegbe woke nya ya muje ya gba.
I'm not even know about that.
Lawo hoje iye go balo. Ato ata le tara roro ve social media ma ya yari ya ko wa ona do ta ni adori awe ko we agbira no naje. Lao no festival lao. Osa no job money ya kwenya ogu we gba ohian. Lawo wo mommy yen. Lao je.
Don't say when you want talk. Where's it? Where's
I beg. You just lawo wo we have for now. Even though even awe. O ma easy. Mo no ma gbe bata ni o ma be no je. Awi ma ya se be bi ya ga je. Mo understand. When wa ya to say about take whatever you enjoy now. We understand. Since some ye we gba na, okay not we support we gba o money. To we kuye na wo iwe kuye we do gba we but about like a soft hand. You know what to do. Here we wise woman, nobody will advise you. I know you too well. You too gallant. You understand? We gallant is have dirty. When na here la wo. Won our na wa di we bi no monohina. We gallant igbe na. We gallant igbe. You know, then me I know what you fit do. I know what you fit do. You understand? But you get soft spot. We understand the man. We soft spot. And a soft spot where there were ya alone where okay. Done or not done or no. We understand. I will my yes every year now. I be you forget. Why my women is struggle. We understand, mama.
No, because some people for year now that they say they never hear the man side. You never hear the man side.
But what as you come
most people when they hear
because mama woman as you come out for me like her. You know why? Because by the time when you start, when you mash your turtle, when they come they cry, at least that time people will know say you fair tell them. It good.
Yes.
And that is
not this. Yeah. When me come out, I want to be say
she know what to do.
One time. They remember this face when you come say if they beg the baby papa may come see children.
Mama, not be say they want advise you where you want pass. You know how to pass. Now you the advice.
Not the advice. I don't want make this one make the proof say there was one certain time. Baby papa they run for the children.
Because they always carry the narrative say women they carry children wrong, women they carry children wrong.
Women they carry children
one person don't come out now say me say you tell for sure.
If you say not be get the children 100 make God do DNA test. Anywhere when you want carry the children go and they use an chest anywhere. If they Italy, if the Nigeria you want for both one. So far as it do you want to carry my children go?
Even when you want born the senior one for hospital, the day when you call this man, another woman for Italy pick for. He carry another woman put for house.
Yeah, but people not for year.
Many things we don't know.
Nothing we not
you know many things we don't do.
Many people don't know for year.
Many people don't know. Before she cried, she know. This is the first time when they do TikTok. These are
she not the first time.
I'm surprised to see her.
She know they do live.
Now if I post picture, that video when I say they enjoy, now they post.
She know they do.
Yesterday when my daughter call her. When my daughter call her for video call, I take the back of the phone. My daughter said, Daddy, I'll be calling you. You said you are calling. You didn't come. The thing that is tears come out from my hair. Tears come out from my hair.
Mama, no cry. Don't cry, beg. No cry.
Meanwhile, they cycle with another person, children.
Mama, no cry, beg. No cry.
No. You want saga my sister, me, I go come for you. If you say man support man, you want saga my sister, I go come for you. Saga will go for this TikTok.
We mad.
Saga continue. My son, I want saga my sister. Because now Baba teaching the support for this TikTok. Now Baba teaching now come out now. Una not come up here. Now let Penede come and say go take action.
Why you can't pay me when I take
Penede say go take action.
Yesterday
now not come out now. Una can't talk for this matter. Ma support man, na dead they watch show. Una dead they watch.
Yesterday,
a platform of it. Oh, then man, who are TikTok now? Yes.
Yesterday, his daughter call am. See how many minutes when they talk. He said, Daddy, I'll be calling you. You said you are coming. You are not coming. I stand for back of the phone. He said, I will call you. I will call you. As you want. As he hear my voice, I say hello. He can't call back again.
They attack the live video. Men are power tap, I beg. The live video
Where she dey no network. Now where she dey no network.
Now I bet me the power tap 240 people.
Our network dey cease. Our network dey cease.
Yeah, my network.
Because number two, TikTok no dey like CTS. I beg, no cry.
I collect the phone from my daughter. I call say hello.
No cry.
He say, hey, one guy. Now say, your pikin they call you since 4 days, which is yesterday. Today making it 5 days. Now say, your children they call you, the boy they call you, now so the girl they call you since how many days? You not call me, you can see why they call you. You understand? He say, now say, why I they talk to you? If I take my action, may you not vex so. Before I talk, he hang the call on me. He hung the call on me. He cut the phone. Since that yesterday, his daughter costed the call and he not pick. Now I can tell that one say, I will soon block your daddy in your phone. He say, why, mommy? Don't I felt block him. I block him for more than 2 weeks. He can't say why me go block his daughter. Now that one can't go open her because she get access to her phone. Now her phone. Now that one can't open her. So his son phone now, his son phone stuck. He gas the papa take the do one. Now his son phone be this one. He gas the take the do one. He go open, see, and you know they touch. You see what the right come, you know they do. Make call help open now. Make call help open now. Since 5 days. Today making it 5 days. Now this boy start to the caller. What he come pay me pass as he pick his daughter phone. Another children there with him. If they get away, say they look another people children. He not fit look at children. He not fit look at children. He not fit take care of his children. Una dey hear me?
We dey hear you. No, we dey hear you.
Now that one they pay me.
Just calm down.
No,
don't try.
Calm down.
Before nobody know what you they go through. So don't still talk her for here now. Anything where you want to do, nobody will blame you. But may you just relax your mind because normally you don't try. Now it's according to the people where don't still know you and the man before. They say if they abandon you, they do many things before and still they forgive one.
I say my dear, before my now only the second one now stay with me when I dey born now. The last born, now hospital when I not born her 2 times. Now hospital when for the work now for born. From 0 to 9 months, I not see her for her. He not come. The same city now with day. He not come. Now the day when I dey born, I born finish. He call me. He say where I dey. Me dey press my bed. Make me open door. The next he come here, nurse come say princess is crying. May I breastfeed them? Because say you don't born. Now it's everyone come where I for born.
Yeah.
Now me and God, nobody stand with me. The senior one, they born the senior one for hospital for Aachen. He put woman for house. As we call her today break, make they tell her say they say na operation, they want refer me go. As I they call her, now so my start they call her, now so my late father wife is late now. Now so that one they call her. Make they tell her say I better be that one mute. Make they tell her say now operation want go for he no carry phone. I don't born the next day. Now he can't call. Say he sleep off. Meanwhile, he put woman for us. Now the girls when get the house when he for rent 1 room. Now those one come all those one momo when the girlfriend use na can cause quarrel between them say that one use their momo to cook now those one take call me say my baby papa must come out for the house I can they beg they say walking wala why wait up there Jamie wala calm down me no know say na a girlfriend Sandra nobody will know Sandra for San Benedito Sandra for her corner Sandra married for more dinner be a permanent more dinner now she for married because they fuck Richard for San Benedito he put Sandra for us Sandra went be a kitten he put her for us now Sandra can't use the momote cook for her a good thing when I carry call from Nigeria everything when I live for her I live two rubber for her 2 rubber for Bolo, 2 rubber for Gusi. When I buy at that time, 2014, I buy 170,000 naira. I list of for her. Under 6 months, when I even do 6 months, it will be 6 months. I can't Jamie February. I born April, May, June. I can't carry the son go greet her. I don't commit anything. What you want person they eat? I say carry the pikin. I carry her from here. I go greet her. May see the first fruit. We can still settle. Inside that time, I don't tire because I don't see everything. Say road not there yet. I can say he kun. Na mama so we ne. He ma biye ma. Because we are for come. We not they like to born here. Na mama say ma biye ma. Who make you be? I go the cry say na me wear shoe na me no wear for the pay me don say ziegbe maybe no na ritalino or say ebugwa wo do fi werie as e come reach e come worst you go sit down for innocent store you go dey spoil my name na so I lock am for outside na so I do this one man when he come tell me I give am key of my house. If they come from outside, not be saying now working from the come from outside, he say he lost the key. I cut key for him. I can't go cut for him. Because he lost the one when I cut for him. He can't say me I help him still go cut another one, say he go give me the money. I can't go cut him. Which is second time of cutting. Why the one when I first give him, he can't make him third one, the original one.